I would put this pretty high on the list of radios not to buy. Hey, anybody want to buy it? So, I've done a few videos on this already. And the more I wiggle wires around, the more problems and weird things I have. And, so I'm finding stuff like this, and so it's not even the number one problem here. So here's one right here, and I found that it was making my receive cut in and out. And I thought, well, it's probably, the connector pins, but I pulled them apart. They were all good. So let's see if you can really get in here and see this. It looks good, okay? All right. Let me see if it'll focus. Oh my God, come on. So let me get in here. I don't know if you can see that. Look very carefully. And these damn things are so freaking sneaky. So it's right there, okay? And it's almost impossible to tell that's a bad solder joint. So anyway, I'm stuck having to do a whole lot of crap on this, and you can look at the quality of this, and it's, it's not real great. And I mean, you could be in here chasing shit forever. So, and I'd hate to sell this for a premium price to somebody else. I mean, this, it's going to do something stupid again. I got, a stack of manuals that the guy sold to me with highlighter all over it, and, notes all over it. So normally I wouldn't add any solder, I'd just reflow it, but I'm doing it so that I'm going to be able to tell where I've been, because I might be doing a lot of soldering.
0 JSC, assisting next control, we'll miss 40 meter net. All are welcome, looking for check-ins, call now.
Seems to be working pretty good.
Check-ins, so miss 40 meter net, call now.
The band is really good. Or, I don't know.
Nothing new from Colorado, back to net, W5EHK0 JSC.
Okay, very good. Just responding to a question on AIM there. Let's go to...
Do I want to solder every connection that is on this damn board?
Mike, we've taken a break. Look for additional check-in for Ole Miss. 40 meter net, call now.
So these other ones that they soldered might be the same thing.
One more look, check-in, Ole Miss 40.
Check that one. A bunch of other ones.